Hello, welcome to Jason's Random Discoveries channel. Today I'm going to show you how I attached a vise on top of my toolboxes. So this looks a little odd, but what I got, this is attached to the top of my rollout toolboxes. And I've got this mounted brace to the wall. It's all bolted in and there's some feet behind it, but I don't have a whole lot of room in my garage. But I am going to make this to where I could still roll out my toolboxes and still have a vise bolted to the wall. I'll show you how I do that. Beam me up, Scotty. What I have here are two Harbor Freight toolboxes. Not sponsored, not affiliated, but every once in a while you get a 50% off coupon and you go and buy some Harbor Freight toolboxes. This vise that's over here, rotator cuff surgery. I hate my job. And I got this attached to the wall. I know it's out of focus, but after I get these two toolboxes rolled out, I will show you how I still have that mounted up. Slowly, one by one, we're going to get these rolled out. See how the vise stays? Move my chairs out of the way here. Should have locked the drawers before I tried moving it. I spilled my coffee. What's cool about this setup, gotta protect the coffee. Now I have one big workbench and I still have my vise attached to the wall. Should have locked the box. So that's my vise. I got it bolted to the wall so it could stay here if I need to lightly. I don't have my screw in there to hold it down, so that's why it's wobbling. But this thing is bolted to this wall real good. I can still move my toolboxes out. I put all these feet on the bottom here, so it rests on the toolbox. So if I really want to get this thing turning around and hammering, I could put something extended on here. I could even open up my garage door. I could turn this. I could turn it if I want to get something into the garage and going out the door if I want to. So that's how I got my vise set up in here. And my Harbor Freight toolboxes roll out of the way. I got lots of workspace if I wanted to work on something. That is how I got my vise to work in my garage with limited space. and still being able to roll up my toolboxes without attaching the vise to my toolboxes. Just another short video. Not much really to say about it, but I just wanted to share that idea of mine. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you want to see more videos on that and other odd things that I've come up with in my garage. I'm done doing my job that I had to do on my workbench over here. I'm going to clean it off. This time, I'm gonna lock the drawers because that was a little dangerous. Move this thing around. Now it's time to put my toolboxes back. There's one. And now my vise, as attached to the wall, has the feet still hanging out there. It's under my workbench. It's going to roll right under that vise. This is the hard part, getting this one to swing in. There we go. And I'm stuck in that 2x4. There we go. And now, I got a sturdy vise. Ain't gonna go nowhere. No matter what I'm hammering on, it's stuck. That's my vise that I have no room to put, but I use the top of my toolbox for the vise without having to put a vise on my toolbox and still being able to roll my toolboxes out to use them for workbenches. And if you like that idea, or if you use something similar to that, or you got a different idea, leave a comment, hit the like if you like it, and subscribe to my channel. And my channel is a channel about a niche about non-niches. My niche is a non-niche channel. And leave a comment, subscribe if you're interested in random things that I do. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and be safe.